My name is Yan. My son Simon, actually he's studying in CKEX. Initially he started the baking class 9.0. Then after that, now he studied the professional business baking class. The reason why I sent him to CKEX because I feel that Teacher Andy is a very dedicated teacher. He taught my son a lot of hands-on cakes, pastries. He learned a lot of desserts, and he makes my son to be more passionate. My son knows, how to work along with this course. So he gained a lot of knowledge and experience through these two courses. So I would highly recommend students to enroll with CKEX. Just like the following Facebook link.